one of the most important thing that you are going for CAT is that it is an important career decision. So you need to be sure that if you really want to go there or not. Second thing, when you are preparing, regularity is very important. Be systematic and always remember that the exam process involves 2 steps. One is the written test and second is the GDPR process. So you should start with both of the process at the same time. Don't wait that when a result will come, you will get a call and then you will start with the GDPR process, because that will be a very small time to prepare. Basically, I started reading newspapers, as well as I think that the GDPR briefcase helped me a lot. Apart from that, I started reading Economist regularly, and I think that that is what provided me an edge. I joined that time test series. From there, what I realized that rather than giving the exam, what is more important is the analysis part of the exam. Because most of the time, what happens that you get a percentile score and you stick with that, and you don't know what to do more so that you increase your percentile score. At that time, the analysis part helps you very much, because it helps you that where you are wasting your time, what are the questions that you need to attempt and leave. Especially for me, I was attempting too many questions, so I realized that I need to leave some of the questions so that I can save my time and put into the questions that were easy enough. So it helped me to increase my score. Actually, when you get a percentile like 95 and then you reach 82, you realize that there is something you are doing wrong. Maybe you are not regular, or maybe that there are some questions which you are not sure and you are attempting. That is where the analysis part helped me, because I realized that my number of attempts was going into the range of 50 to 54, and it was too many, and I'm getting after 30 I was getting a long range of wrong questions and in a long order. So when I analyzed, I realized that what kind of questions I need to leave. My advice will be that be regular and be good with your preparation. One important thing that I would like to say, that all the students who are preparing for this exam are preparing seriously, and when you go into an interview stage, all of them have excellent profiles. So don't get bogged down or tensioned with their profile. Do your best, because that is what you can do.